Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful 2-bedroom villa in one of the best residentials in town. So why don't you come on in? So this beautiful house is located in, like I said, in a beautiful residential. It offers quite a bit of amenities, some sports fields. You also have a restaurant, and you're really close to town. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information and the price. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.